Hey guys, we're going to What's Up Wednesday. Doing it a bit different this week. I'm away in Peru on vacation, visiting some family, and I wanted to showcase some of the construction materials they use in what would be considered here, I guess, where I am now, which is kind of beach house living in Peru. But they use it throughout the country, but also in Lima, the capital. But what I'm referring to is the concrete construction material, and here you'll see like this floating bench behind me. Really smart use of the material, right? You have concrete, it's permanent, very low maintenance. You build it once and then you have to just upholster your cushions to whatever style matches your house. And in this case, it creates a really nice open feeling. You see we got them on both sides. Easy to clean around and under, so if you have sand come up from the beach. And smart design, you can get quite creative with it. So really interesting way to use what we consider to be a more raw construction material in Canada or the US. Here they use it also within their furniture, and I'll show you a few other things around the house that are really cool that incorporate concrete as part of the material and the design. But it's a great space. You can see here, creates for a nice open living area. They're floating, so they're raised off the ground, gives it a nice new modern look, and really kind of rounds out this whole space, which you can see we've got nice high vaulted ceilings. Here we got bamboo and concrete ceiling with, they actually have a metal roof on this one, but a lot of the houses here will have a grass roof. But in any case, there you go. There's part one of this one. I'll show you some other areas in the house. They made some really cool bunk beds out of concrete here, so give me a sec here and I'll walk over there. See you in a sec. Yeah, check out these bunk beds. Pretty cool. So this is a beach house. It's 5 bedrooms. It's set up to sleep, I think, like 20 people or something. So we have all the kids in this room, and one common way they do it here is build them actually out of concrete. Sorry. Here you can see we have some nice lumber for the ladder details and the guardrails and to finish it off. But this is actually all like totally made of concrete. Over here you'll see there's another built-in bed. Again, the base of it's all made of concrete, and this just creates kind of a really low maintenance, really practical way to build it. And we're at the beach, right? So there's lots of salt in the air, and things can get damaged easily and corrode. So here they use concrete for that, and again, kind of creates a nice space here. Here we have storage underneath the bed. Anyways, smart use of materials here. I'll show you some other sections. All right, so here we are in one of the 2 master bedrooms. This is our room. And what I like about the use of concrete in this space is, check out the bed. So the bed itself is actually made of concrete, not the mattress, just the frame. But I'll get down a bit lower. You can see it creates for a lot of storage. It's kind of on a concrete pedestal in the center, but then there's lots of room underneath for storage. Again, easy cleaning. And the headboard itself is made of concrete as well. So this whole structure is made of concrete. And then basically go through and they finish it all off and give it a nice smooth finish, and it creates a nice ledge for storage. Again, the whole key here is that it's low maintenance for a beach house. That's key. But also, in Peru, construction material wise, concrete is inexpensive. There's tons of sand and aggregate here that they can access to make concrete. Labor is inexpensive as well. So it's really kind of a combination of available materials and inexpensive costs, but it's also a really nice touch. So you can see here as we cruise in through the storage area, they're all concrete floating shelves in here. And then as we get into the bathroom, you can see we have a floating concrete countertop or the vessel sink. Again, this is all stuff that in Canada it would be quite expensive because our costs are different, our labor is different, our process, our climate. But overall, I think it's really cool. I like to see this stuff. And as far as wanting a beach house is concerned, it's something that if I had a lake house in Alberta, I think I'd probably consider going concrete, only because it would last forever. It looks pretty slick. But anyhow, there you go. I'll update you throughout the course of my trip. I'll provide some interesting details about other construction materials or architecture from around Peru while we're here. So hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Paul from Contact Renovation and Custom Homes and the host of The Art of Renovation. Have a great one.